Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing the Google Wi-Fi system and Amazon eero 6 extender. If you're struggling with dead zones and buffering around your home, then you definitely want to stick around for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech product reviews. Both products are reasonably priced, with the Google Wi-Fi system at $48 and Amazon eero 6 extender at $59. However, keep in mind that the Amazon eero 6 extender is a certified refurbished device. The Google Wi-Fi system's single point covers up to 1,500 square featuring, and 3 points can cover up to 4,500 square featuring on the other hand. The Amazon eero 6 extender adds up to 1,500 square featuring of Wi-Fi 6 coverage to your existing eero mesh Wi-Fi system. Setting up both devices is a breeze. The Google Wi-Fi system utilizes a simple app to get you set up quickly, while the eero app walks you through adding an eero 6 extender and is backwards compatible with previous Wi-Fi generations. Both devices use intelligent routing technology to reduce dropouts and provide consistent Wi-Fi coverage. The Google Wi-Fi system uses network assist technology to select the clearest channel and fastest band for your devices, while the Amazon eero 6 extender uses true mesh technology for a seamless experience. The Amazon eero 6 extender gets better over time with automatic updates to bring the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi while keeping your network safe and secure. We couldn't find a specific mention for Google Wi-Fi system, so we'll call this one for Amazon eero 6 extender. That's it for our comparison of the Google Wi-Fi system and Amazon eero 6 extender. Both devices have their strengths, but it ultimately depends on what you're looking for. We hope this video helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech product reviews.